So
there we go.
Yep. So it's collecting funds from HyperEVM, collected funds from Arbitrum, it's bridging them over to Avalanche,
And everybody treats onboarding as a wallet problem, but for a lot of Avalanche apps, the bottleneck is actually getting the deposit into it. And today with Avail Nexus, that collapses all of the process into one click. You can deposit any token from any major EVM chain in a gasless manner without routing, bridging.
let's say this is the BENQI app, and now I want to supply funds into this app, right? So now if I attempt to do that, but what I'm going to be met with is basically saying I don't have funds on Avalanche. I don't have AVAX for gas, right? And then I have to do all of these different steps. But with the simple integration of Avail Nexus, that you can have funds on USDC on Base, you can have ETH on Arbitrum, you can have USDT 0 on Arbitrum, and we can use all of these assets to basically allow a user to deposit, even if you have absolutely no funds on Avalanche, right? Okay, there we go. So it's going to take some USDT on Arbitrum and some USDC on HyperEVM. I hit confirm. It is going to aggregate both of those assets from various chains. So
there we go.
Yep. So it's collecting funds from HyperEVM, collected funds from Arbitrum. It's bridging them over to Avalanche. I've managed to finally supply my 5 USDC. This is what we can make happen for every app out there, and you can do custom UI by using our SDK, or use our configurable, get to use our plug-and-play widgets, and both have like MCPs and agents to just feed into your LLM, make the whole integration process very simple. It'll take you all of like a few minutes to do an integration into your existing code base. And the fantastic thing is you have to change nothing else except front-end code. No smart contract changes, and the fact that the user probably has funds that are completely separate. How do you make it agnostic to users? Right? So users just use apps. They don't care about what chain that app is on. And they really don't care about what funds they have and where they have it.